Hey guys, I'm Dantas here with CBC Life, and I'm going to be sharing my full skincare routine for you guys today. I'm a makeup artist, and throughout the years, I've really learned that it doesn't matter what you're putting on your face. If your canvas, your face isn't prepped, hydrated, primed, and all of that fun stuff. So I have mastered my skincare routine, and I'm going to share it with you guys today. So keep on watching. So the first thing I'm starting off with is cleansers. So you want to cleanse your face every single night before you go to bed, regardless if you're wearing makeup or you're not wearing makeup. My favorite cleanser ever that literally dissolves your makeup in seconds. I am somebody that wears a lot of makeup, so a product that can dissolve my makeup in seconds is amazing. My favorite product is the Philosophy Purity 3-in-1 Cleanser. I swear to you guys, I've gone through so many of these bottles. This is pretty inexpensive considering how many uses you're getting out of this. It's really gentle, especially if you have sensitive skin like me. Another favorite cleanser of mine is the Purity Solution by Cosmetics. This is a nourishing, deep cleansing oil. So this is great if you are somebody with dry skin or if you have more mature skin. I noticed that if you do have more mature skin, you want to use something that's super nourishing, that has oil infused into it. So it's going to help cleanse your skin and hydrate your skin, and it's not going to pull out any of the hydration or moisture when you're washing your face. So the next thing we're going to talk about is exfoliating. This is something that I've recently been doing in the past 1.5 years. So exfoliating is something that you want to stick to doing at least once or twice a week. You don't want to do this every single day because it is a little bit more harsh on your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. It could make your skin irritated. But it is extremely important to do it at least once a week because it's getting rid of all that dead skin cells on your face. So for somebody that has super dry skin like myself, I can get dry patches around my nose, on my forehead, and exfoliating is gonna get rid of all those little dry patches on my face and give me a nice fresh canvas to start with. So one of my favorites is the Cosmetics Purity Detoxing Scrub. It almost has a sand texture, so it really gets in there and really does a good job of exfoliating your face. Next, we're gonna talk about my favorite step, which is toner. So toner is something that a lot of people skip. A lot of people probably have no clue what toner even means. Toner is something that has changed the game for my skincare, seriously. So a lot of times, if you are somebody that wears a lot of makeup, like myself, you wash your face, but there's still a lot left over that you have no clue is even there. Once you go ahead and do your toner on a little cotton pad, you realize how much makeup was still left over on your face. It's not to say that the cleanser you're using is bad, it's just inevitable. You're gonna have leftover residue. So going in with that extra step, which is a toner, it's just going to ensure that you're going to be getting the biggest, best clean on your face before you move on to your skincare. So one of the toners that I recently started using, and it's seriously my favorite thing ever, is the Ole Henderson's Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. So if you guys have oily skin, this puppy is gonna be your best friend. Another toner option if you have dry skin and you have more sensitive skin is the Philosophy Purity Micellar Water. So this is a toner that is super gentle on your skin. You can literally rub this all over your eyes as well. I love this one as well. The other one is a little bit more of a deep clean, so depending if you are somebody that needs that deep clean or somebody that doesn't wear a lot of makeup, then you can have the option between the two. Moving on to skincare, I can spend a good 20 minutes of doing my skincare at night, but seriously, in 20 years, I'm gonna be thankful that I spent the time doing all that. So the first thing that you wanna do, you've cleansed your face, you've toned your face, now you're gonna go in with an eye cream. One of my absolute favorite eye creams is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue. I love this because of its silky texture. It's smooth and gentle on your eye area. So whenever you are working around your eye area, you wanna use your ring fingers because these fingers are the most gentle. And the skin around your eyes is thin, so you wanna be very careful that you're not creating wrinkles. So just be very gentle, working in upward motions. Another one of my favorite eye serums is the Liquid Crystal Eye Serum by Cosmetics. I love this. It is definitely more heavy, so I would recommend using this one if you are more mature. Use the Charlotte Tilbury one if you have younger skin, but no age is too young to start using eye cream. So after you've gone ahead and done your eye cream, you want to do a face cream all over your face to help lock in the eye cream and bring it onto your neck. One of my favorites is the Ole Henderson C Crush Brightening Cream. So after you've done all those steps, which probably seems like a lot, but trust me, once you get in the routine of it, it goes by super fast. You want to go ahead and put on a lip chap or a lip moisture. So my ride or die is the good old Vaseline. You can get a whole jar of this from the dollar store. Works so amazing. I go to sleep with this. I wake up with a nice hydrated lip. So you can't go wrong with some good Vaseline. Moving on to skincare treatments. So whether you have oily skin or you have dry skin, if you're more prone to acne or if you're more prone to dry patches, you're gonna be using different skincare masks and products. I am somebody with super dry skin, especially in the winter months. So my ride or die skincare mask and treatment is this Glam Glow Thirsty Mud treatment. If you have dry skin, especially during the winter months, I'm sure a lot of us have dry skin, this is going to be your best friend. It is like a super intense moisture. You can use this at night, you can use it in the morning, and you just let it soak into your skin. You don't even have to wash it off. This little jar is pricey, but it is so worth it. If you're somebody that's a little bit more on the oily side or more prone to acne, you should try out the charcoal mask by Cosmetics. So normally if you are more prone to breaking out or you have acne, you want to use products that are more deep cleaning, a little bit harsher on the face per se, because it really needs to get in there and clean out your skin. If you have dry skin, you want to use products that are more soothing, hydrating, and a little bit less invasive. Two of my favorite masks from Amazon, so affordable, are these little gold masks right here. So what are these, you may ask, if you've never seen them before? So if I have a big event, a wedding, a big occasion, I will put these in the freezer, get them nice and cold, and then I apply them right underneath my eyes in the morning before I do my makeup, and it helps cool down your under eye area, helps hydrate your under eye area, and gets rid of all that puffiness. And then we also have this lip mask right here, again from Amazon. You just apply it right to your lips before you put on your lipstick, and it helps hydrate your lips. Next, we're gonna talk about treating breakouts. So I'm somebody that doesn't get a ton of breakouts, although I do have a few on my face right now. One of my favorite products is the Masquerade Spotted Patches. So I typically like to apply these at nighttime before I go to bed. You wanna wear them for 8 to 10 hours. So you apply them right to your breakout area, you leave them throughout the night, and in the morning, they're either gone or very much so reduced. So they are infused with all things natural, and they just help get rid of your breakouts. So the last thing we're going to talk about is your morning routine. This is a lot more simple than your nighttime routine, luckily. So you do want to wash your face or give your face a little bit of toner, because as you're sleeping, you're building up oil and bacteria from your pillow. So before you start your makeup application, you just want to make sure you're starting with a nice clean canvas. So you can go in with one of your cleansers, the Purity or the Cosmetics, or you can go in with your toner. Personally, I just go in with a toner quickly, remove all the oil on my face. Now you can go in with a moisturizer. You usually want to use a moisturizer with a bit of a sunscreen in the morning to protect your skin all day long. One of my favorites is the Cosmetics Hydrate Board SPF 15. I love this because it doesn't feel like you're wearing sunscreen on your face. It doesn't give you that sticky texture, so it's great to wear all day long underneath your makeup or bare if you're not wearing any makeup at all. So we've talked about face wash, we've talked about toner, we've talked about exfoliator, we've talked about skincare, lips, masks, treatments, acne, everything skincare. So that is it. Let me know what you thought down below. If this video helped you, again, let me know. You of course don't need to go out and spend all of this money on all these different products. I have accumulated this all over the years, but picking and choosing a few things from this video might really help your skincare for 2019. Remember to check me out at Julie Dantas Beauty if you guys want to see more from moi, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.